Hi everybody, welcome back. Welcome to
The Fee Experiment.
Yes. So remember when I did the video on how to make iced coffee? Well, my guest here is my grandson. He's 8 years old, and I showed him that video. So of course, curiosity got this little part, and he wanted to have some coffee. And we don't want to give kids caffeine, right?
Yep.
Not if you can help it, right?
Yes.
So he came up with an idea because he wants to have iced coffee with grandma. What did you come up with?
Decaffeinated iced coffee.
Decaffeinated iced coffee. And sure, we know that's out there, but he thought of it because he wants to have some with grandma. So I showed him how I did it, and so he wants to show you guys how he can make decaffeinated iced coffee. So maybe you can share this with your young ones, and if they want some, of course not an everyday treat, but a little treat here and there, they can have some iced coffee, right? So let's get into this video. We're going to show you everything we have that he's going to be using. I'm going to be assisting and stepping in where needed, of course, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Okay, so we have our 2 glasses. We have our Folgers decaffeinated coffee.
And you can use either one on
The
classic caramel or the salted caramel.
Yes.
Your decision.
Mm-hmm. And what else you have over there?
Mocha.
It's only a little mocha left, so he's going to take that splash because I just want to taste the salted caramel. And over here we have our Coffee Mate hazelnut. And what kind of milk is that?
Almond milk.
Almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, just regular, great value. And so we have that. And if we even need any extra sweetener, because sometimes I do, I have my monk fruit sweetener, which he calls my fake sugar. So, so guys, we're going to get on into this video, and we hope you enjoy it. All right, so we're ready to get started. Go ahead, Antonio.
Okay, so
what do we got to do first? Got to make the coffee first, right? Now let me explain, guys. When I did the coffee for adults, I use instant coffee, and we don't have instant decaf coffee, but you can still do this with regular drip coffee or with your Keurig, and we're using a Keurig today. So Antonio's going to go ahead and fill up the Keurig refillable cup. You might want to put it over there, over the...
okay. So
and those of you that have these refillable Keurig cups, you wash them out after each use to be ready for the next use. That's pretty good right there.
Right here?
Yeah, I think that's enough. And close it on up.
And guys, you gotta make sure it's all the way closed. And there you go. First thing done. Now put it in the Keurig.
Cut this power on.
Now just let's close the top of the Keurig. And now don't you just now just press like which cup you want. I would go for the biggest one, so we're just gonna push that one, and now we just wait
on the coffee to drip on down there. And that 1 cup of coffee, because let me show you what we're using. That 1 cup of coffee right there, that's going to literally, it could make 3 to 4 cups of these size cups of iced coffee. I was waiting.
And while we're waiting, you want to do a little dancing? Yeah.
So Antonio, what things do you love the most to do?
I love reading.
Okay. You do that
I love
well.
dancing.
Mm-hmm.
I love wrestling.
That's what I was waiting on you to get to. Oh my gosh. We have tried to play this kid in WW2K24 wrestling.
And 22.
And 22.
And she can't even get it. And Papa Lynn can't even get it.
And I'm pretty competitive, and I'm really good at video games, but I cannot beat him. He's an expert. This little one is an expert.
but she always beats me in basketball.
Okay, the coffee is done. So because it's hot, I'll go ahead and I'll handle this part for you. I'm going to pour it into this measuring cup so it'll make it easier for him to pour into the glasses. Okay.
There you go.
Lock this on.
So,
wrap it by there, of course. And so, what do you do next? Pour it into the glasses?
Pour it into the glasses, yeah.
Watch it because it's hot. Move your fingers.
Tell me when to stop.
I think that's good enough.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's good enough.
Let's see. I'll give us a little more. Just a little more. Might as well use all that's in that glass. And we still have a half a cup left. And some more in that one. In the mug. So if my husband came home and if he wanted some, we have enough for him. I'll rinse this because we're going to use this same glass.
Yep, they're exactly the same.
All right, good job. So next, what do we need to do?
So then we need to stir, I believe. No, I think we need to add the stuff that we need to add in.
Yes. Well, I want to add in my little sweetener first because I do want a little extra sweetness this morning.
Yeah.
And well, afternoon is afternoon now.
Well,
so
yeah, it's.
Would you like some?
Sure.
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, and we have to do it when it's hot because, of course, the sweetener needs to dissolve just a little bit. And here you can stir that. Just a couple of stirs ought to dissolve it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 hours later.
11, 12.
Okay, now that one. Not that we needed to count to 12 to do it, but okay, go ahead. Okay. Now that we got that, now we can add our milks. So let's go with the almond milk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix, so it's easier for him. I'm going to pour the almond milk into the glass. Now you can use regular milk if you don't want to use almond milk. We predominantly have almond milk here, or like in my other video, I did powder milk that I made milk with.
And it's warm milk.
No, the glass is warm.
Yeah, the glass is warm.
So pour some in there.
And you said about there.
No, you can go ahead and pour some more. I'll just put some more in the glass.
I think that's good.
Mm-hmm. Now the great thing, like I said, about making it at home yourself.
Right there.
Here you go. Making it at home yourself, you get to, if something's just not right, you get to add a little more to make it, really have the flavor that you're looking to have. We need a little bit more. Okay. Looking to get it even. Look at him.
I think that's even. Wait, just a little bit more.
Okay.
And that's even.
Awesome. So let's go ahead and get that stirred. Just a little bit.
This time, let me do mine first.
That's good enough. And then you can stir mine. Okay. So let's get, we actually could have did a little bit more milk because we want to fill it up just a little bit more. What I'm going to taste mine for now is just to see how much coffee I can taste in it, because you don't want to drown out the coffee. That's the purpose, is iced coffee, so you want to have that coffee back taste.
Yeah.
So what this does need is a little bit more of the decaf. Okay. And now we can put in our what?
Our creamy. And then now we put in our mocha, a classic caramel or salted caramel.
Well, I want the salted caramel, so you can give me.
Like as I said, you can either use salted caramel or classic caramel or anything you want.
Right.
Like, it's your decision.
Okay, so we know you want mocha, so go ahead and add that mocha in here.
The rest of the mocha in there.
And I know you want a little caramel in there too, don't you?
Yeah.
So go ahead with the caramel.
I would do classic caramel.
Now, because these sweeteners are sweet, you want to be, careful about how much. Like, that should be enough. That should really be enough. I want the salted caramel here. You can stir it. I'll stir it while you pour mine.
I'll try not to get too much in yours.
Oh, hey. Okay.
I think right there is good.
I think that should be good enough. So I'm going to take a little taste along the way. Okay.
And of course, I want to always taste the last. When I taste stuff, I always want to do the last taste.
You want to taste yours?
I want to do the last taste.
Okay. So now we're going to put in our Coffee Mate creamer.
Yep. And yeah. And then we just pour this in there.
That's a bit much. I think that's pretty good. Now, stir it up a little bit.
The spoon.
And now stir mine.
That's yours.
Let me stir yours.
No.
Did we put salted caramel in mine?
Did we? Yeah, we did.
Okay.
I just wanted to make sure.
Okay, it's looking good. Now,
it's smelling good.
We are ready for
the ice.
The secret ingredient, the ice.
Bring on the ice. Pause right there. We'll be right back. That's fine to eat then. Okay, and you can unpause that.
Okay, now we have our ice. No worries, our hands are clean. We washed our hands before starting. Let me get us a couple of straws because we're going to need our straws. So go ahead, Antonio, and put your ice in.
And if we have any extra ice, I'm eating it all. Secret ingredient, the ice.
We figured we'll make this a little fun day with our little pineapple straws here.
Now time to grandma. You have a little less than me.
Keep in mind when you're making your iced coffee that the ingredients be at a good enough strength that the ice doesn't weaken it. Okay? He's counting the ice. So let's go ahead and...
You need one more.
We want to stir it as it's... So it can be getting cold at the bottom, and you stir yours.
Pineapples! I'm going to stir it by the pineapple. It doesn't work.
It actually can stand a little more ice because it's...
But don't put all the ice in there.
He wants to eat some ice.
I already told them that.
Okay, so let's taste it.
Okay, you ready?
Wait a minute, hold on. Taste test is going.
But before we even taste it, make sure you like and subscribe.
Yes, thank you, honey. Like and subscribe. You ready? Let's
Ready?
taste it. Mm.
Wow, that's
Wow.
like amazing.
That is really good. Good job, Antonio. Good job. So, guys, we hope that you make some of this for your young ones or even those that just can't stand the taste of coffee or the jitters from coffee. Me, I need all the strong coffee I can get. Oh, do you like my earrings? They're donuts. But okay, guys, thank you for watching the Fee Experiment. Again, this is Antonio. Say bye.
Bye, guys.